everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Kairyly, back with another cooking video. Today I decided, why not show you how to make pineapple upside down cake for my grandfather for Father's Day. Of course, you hear my son in the background because he has input as always. So stay tuned, I'm about to show you how to make a pineapple upside down cake. Hey everybody, it's Lady Kairyly, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me. Turn on that post notifications bell on right now. Alright, are you ready to make some pineapple upside down cake? I'm going to show you how it's made. You're going to need a box of Super Moist Cake by Betty Crocker, the yellow mix. You can use any yellow mix you want, okay? Next step, you're going to need some eggs. To learn how to make your cake, you need some water, some butter. So I already have the cake mix already inside. I don't have a cake pan because like I'm moving, so I have everything. Yeah, so next step, I got my butter already in my measuring cup. So I need 1/3 of cup of my butter. The instructions are on the box to make this. It's so freaking simple. If you don't know how to read, then I can't help you with that because I'm not teaching grammar today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the butter inside the mix. And if you hear my son in the background, that's normal for me. So, alright, let's get this butter in here. Yes, Kaden, I know. So I decided to make a pineapple upside down cake because my grandfather has been asking me to make a pineapple upside down cake. I'm usually baking, doing stuff. I guess that's what I do for the family. And he really wanted one really bad for Father's Day. And I was like, I guess, why not? So that is what I'm doing right now at this time. It's probably 9 p.m. right now. And I'm baking. So the next step I'm going to put is the 3 eggs for the cake. I'm a little crazy over here. 1, a 2, and a number 3. So we're gonna do 3 cakes not 3 cakes. We're not doing 3 cakes today. That's too much for me tonight. We are doing 1 cake. And that is it. And that is final. 1, a 2, and a 3. Crack-a-lackin'. We are cracking the eggs, so let's put this a little bit down so you can see it. Ooh, I gotta mix this now. We're about to start mixing. Alright, oh, what? We are not about to start mixing. I lied. We need to put the water. This is crazy. Alright, I got my bowl. We're about to make it rain with pineapple juices. Pineapple is really good for you guys, if you didn't know. My man's looking at me, yeah. What's up, babe? What's up? Why are you making faces? Nah, this juice is for a reason. Yeah, it is. Stop being nasty. Nah. This juice is for the cake. Look at it. You like it? You like the drips? Shake it. Let's shake it. Alright, let me stop. Look. We already got 2 kids. Alright guys, sensory. 18 and over only. Alright, so I'm lost track of what I'm doing now because of this man. Look what he did to me. Alright, so I had put the pineapple juice into 1 cup and the remainder is like a tad. I'm going to put some water into the mix so it can be a little bit more pineapple flavored, I guess. So here we go. Got the pineapple juice, got the butter, got the 3 eggs. Now I'm about to mix this up right now. Right, hear my kids in the background. It smells very pineapple-y, like I told you. It smells very pineapple-y. So, pretty simple, self-explanatory how to make cake batter. Alright, we're going to go to the next step. Alright, this is how it's going to look. You're going to keep stirring it until you don't see no white no more. You want it to be all yellow. Yellow, yellow, yes it is. Yellow too, that means. And it smells, like I said, very, very pineapple-y, which is a good thing. This cake is going to be bomb.com. Look at this egg still, look. See, I'm not doing a good job. I am not Chef Ramsay like I told you guys prior. This is just me, Lady Kairyly, chefing and baking. All right, next step, what you're gonna need now, we're gonna move on into the pan where the upside down cake mixture will go. So you're gonna need some dark brown sugar. You're gonna need some pineapple slices, the 20-ounce can, the rings, okay? And you're gonna need some, I don't even know how to pronounce these. How do you pronounce this? Maraschino cherries. I don't usually use them because I don't really like cherries, but my grandfather does. So we're gonna use them for him. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of butter. You're gonna melt that butter. That's the first step, what you're gonna do. All right, so I had placed the butter inside here, and I'm just gonna place it around the pan, do all that good stuff, swirl and swirl. I'm so silly. And what we're gonna do is the next step is we're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar on here and sprinkle it all over so it's finally all flat. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so like I said, you're gonna use 1 cup of brown sugar and we're just gonna spread it all over. All right, it looks crazy right now. Just put it in there and we're just gonna spread it. I got my spoon, my handy dandy spoon here, and we're gonna spread it so it can look all nice and evenly because you want that in there like swimwear. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spread that out and I'm gonna tell you the next step now. All right, so here we go. This is what a pineapple ring is if you don't know what that is. I see you, Lady Kairyly sees you. Imagine people use these instead of cucumbers. Like, all right, anyways, here we go. I'm gonna start placing them and I'm gonna show you afterwards how it's gonna look. It's gonna look thebomb.com. I'm telling you, that's gonna be awesome. I'm excited to try this because I haven't had pineapple upside down cake in a long time. And when I go shopping for the store, I usually don't even find it in the bakery section. And that's why I usually make it. So, but I haven't had it literally in years. So I'm excited for this one. All right, I had placed all my pineapples. I don't want to kind of tilt it too much, but you see these two right here? I just basically cut it in half. So there's some pineapple in that area. I can do it as well in this section. Wherever you see empty space, pineapple it up. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut the cherries and we're gonna put them in the little holes. All right, one thing we're not gonna do is keep these stems on these cherries. We're gonna rip these suckers off like this or however you wanna do it. As long as they're off and they're not inside your cake. You're just gonna cut, get a knife, don't play with knives. All right, for real, don't play with knives. I'm not kidding, don't play with these knives. They ain't no joke, come on. All right, you're gonna cut it in half. If you have a cutting board, because this is ridiculous what I'm doing. I'm about to slice myself up, like who knows, will it be blood or will it be the juices? I'm just kidding. But cut it up with a cutting board and you're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna cut it in half. This is how it's gonna look with the upside down cherries that I had placed. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the batter there. All right, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and place that batter all over these pineapples, brown sugar. Here we go. I'm excited. I can't wait to see the face on my grandfather because he's gonna be so happy. And you know what? This is the best gift, you know, when it comes from the heart. Alright, let's get all that batter in here. We don't want to waste any. I'm not the one to lick batter. That's just not me. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want salmonella, even though people do it all the time. But I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. Good for you. Good for me. Yeah, good for me, baby hoe over there. Cookie? You are you gonna give me a cookie? All right, this is how it's gonna look. All nice. You're gonna put it inside the oven. I say oven. I know that's how I was raised. Like I say, as always. Oven. You're gonna put it at 350. I've been preheating it as it's already been cooking for 15 minutes. It's not cooking, but baking. Oh my gosh, it's just been heating. It's just been heating up in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and place this baby in there. Can't wait. We're gonna go ahead and put this. Hopefully I don't burn myself because I'm always burning myself over here. this baby and wait for the final countdown. All right, we're gonna bake this for 35 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 35 minutes. And what we're gonna do next, wash your area. That's what you're gonna do. Wash your dishes afterwards so it can be clean. And clean your hands, do all that good stuff. People tell me that I cook like Aunt Faye or whatever, this crazy person, because the way I talk and the way I cook and stuff, like her, whoever, she's another YouTuber. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, and then I'll come back when the cake, whatever, is finished to show you the results. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and check. It's been 35 minutes. My son's background complaining as usual. Let's put the knife in. If it comes out clean, it's good. And it's a wrap, guys. It is done. Guys, so I had taken the cake out. It looks so freaking fluffy. I'm impressed. I will be more impressed once I flip it over. But I'm gonna let it simmer here for a little bit and collect those juices from the brown sugar and the pineapple. And then I'm gonna have to flip it. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the edges here to make sure when I do flip it, it is going to be a clean slate. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to do with one hand. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to flip this. It is so freaking hot. Oh my god, oh my god. All right, all right, all right, all right. Moment of truth. Yo, I don't know if maybe if I should I'm nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. This is really hot. Maybe I should just let it sit there for a little bit. What do you think, babe?
I don't know. I don't know what makes this.
I haven't done this in a very, very long time. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh, come closer, come closer, come closer. Ooh, oh, what pineapple, though.
Hold on, that's stuck.
Wow.
At least you can take it out, maybe.
Yes, all right. Well, this is the pineapple upside down cake, guys. You know, like, I'm going to go ahead and put that pineapple, but this is how you make it, and it's going to taste so bomb. Look at the heat. It looks amazing. I'm so happy it came out good, except this pineapple right here. Yes, I wish I could have a piece right now. All right. So I put the pineapple back, and it's good to go. Thank you so much for watching how to make a pineapple upside down cake with your girl, Lady Kairyly. I hope you guys make this, and I hope you enjoyed it, because I can't enjoy this right now until tomorrow. But you know what? You guys are going to see me eat this tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow. Well, it's going to be one video, but you're going to see me eat this. Watch. Now with this cake right here, you can either keep it refrigerated or you can keep it out, but I'm gonna want mine refrigerated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cover it up, and it's gonna be good to go for tomorrow for Father's Day. As I promised, guys, today I am going to eat some of this cake. This cake is here. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so this is the cake, guys. I'm taking a slice, guys. I'm excited. Eating. Looks really good. I'm impressed that came out good. Alright, guys, so I got the pineapple upside down cake here with a glass of milk. I put ice in mine because I like ice in my milk. I'm going to go ahead and try the first bite now. Tastes very pineapple-y, like I said. So I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial on how to make upside down pineapple cake. I hope you put a thumbs up, subscribe, share away, and tell your peoples about me. Bye, guys.